Hey, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
If you're attending the Walker Family Reunion this July, you'll get to see the factory in action on July 13th.
Yeah, our main entrance will open at 7 a.m. and factory tours will begin.
Right, let's go take a look. At the start of the tour, you'll be given this awesome tour guide.
And these cool new glasses.
Hey, you look great.
Hey, thanks.
Come with us, we'll give you a preview of what you can expect to see.
Yeah, let's go.
So as you saw, there's a lot going on inside the Walker factory.
Yeah, and we promise we won't make you walk that fast.
Right. And remember, the factory tours are only open Friday of the reunion, so make sure you're here in time to see everything.
And if you haven't registered yet, you can do that at walker.com/reunion.
We look forward to seeing you for this time of fun, family, and fellowship.
We'll see you in July.